Hey y'all, just old gear here. So you seen our previous video, we was getting ready to start our seeds. We put our compost soil and our starting mix in these cups. We put the seeds in there, gently push the seeds down. We covered the cups with saran wrap and we let them set. It's been around 5 days. The tomatoes and other stuff here are popping up, and I thought the eggplant and peppers didn't have enough moisture in there, so I raised the saran wrap up and gave it a couple of sprays with my handy dandy spray bottle. However, I got to looking, and as you can see in that one right there, they are starting to pop up. So within the next day or 2 days max, we'll be taking saran wrap off those, and we'll be on to the next step. Okay, you took the saran wrap off. What's the next step? Turning the lights on. When the plants pop up, you take off the dome, or in this case the saran wrap, and you turn on the lights. Turn on the lights. How are you going to water, gear? Well, I'm glad you asked. You see this little dirty tray of rocks right here? Well, we take these red solo cups. We got 2 here, remember? We have the inner one, has 2 to 3 holes on the bottom. Pretty sure they all have 3, but I seen one with 2. So just there's one with 2, I guess. Anyways, we lift this solo cup out of there. And I seen in a video where you could turn it a certain way and get it to set in there. I was having trouble with that, so we went to the next route, which is put a rock in there, put a little bit too much water in there. You just want to put enough water to about the top of the rock there. You don't need a huge rock. These are, I don't know how to measure them, but small rocks. About as big around as a dime, not even any taller than a dime standing up. So we put our water in there. You can use straight up rainwater, water, or any kind of a growing fertilization starting process you want to use. But for me, I got good compost in there. And for now, we're going to rely on that, and we'll see how that does. If we need to add anything after that, we will. I hope y'all are following along with the global gardening and homesteading skills. It used to be called Shed Wars. The hashtag is gardening homesteading skills. So if you want to check out all the folks doing it, teaching gardening, see how they're doing things, feel free to check them out. I hope you follow along with old gear here for this gardening season. Looking forward to sharing everything I know, learning a few things from others. And these are experiments right here. We got carrots in the back, Swiss charding these 2. This is the biggest I've ever got Swiss chard to grow. So we're going to see if we can start it inside and transplant it outside and get it to do something. That'd be awesome. And in this cup right here, what do you think's there? I can't tell you, but it's not tomatoes. What is that? You'll have to follow along and see what becomes of it. Follow along with old gear and the global gardening and homesteading skills group. A lot of great folks, over 60. What you growing? Y'all have a good one. Bye for now.